I think for me, one of the key takeaways is just the vibrancy of where AI is going. Everybody's looking at it. Not everybody's doing it well. It's a real understanding about where data and AI is going to converge in the next 12 months.
I think I can give it a more deep research of how I can use it in my project or my product to reduce cost or to leverage the feature that dataset provided.
Big data is always a challenge, and in government organizations as well, it's a big challenge. You have lots of information, but when it comes to these Gen AI technologies, how do you use those technologies to make sense of that information that companies have in those cloud providers?
Yeah, I love the keynote by Joe Pearson about intuition, but also the way that people respond to information, even when it's generated, etc. I think will have a very big impact in how you present information to users.
At the early stages, in the experimentation stages, having the data stacks to really just to go in and play to get some real understanding of how it's going to work and hang together, yeah, that's a pretty good thing.
Normally what I try and do is see if something works for my system and implement that, but I've got to now think a bit bigger picture and see if it does develop further, how can I actually scale it to a degree that helps many patients, not just my patients. And so that's one thing that I think that's really been useful today.